Welcome everyone. In this video, we shall have a demo on how to make entries in bill of supply and delivery challan. Once you log in into a software, click on the GST option and click on transactions. Sales tax invoice. When you have to make entries for products and services under the category of taxable, then you have to select sales tax invoice. And if you have to make transaction of products and services which is under the category of nil rated, exempted, non-GST, you have to select sales bill of supply. Now we'll see how to make the transaction. Voucher type shall be bill of supply, voucher date, voucher number, our location, that is we have selected it as Goa, and our GSTN number, the customer, then shipping to, then invoice type shall be selected as regular invoice, then voucher number, it can be entered either manually or it can be system generated. E-commerce operator, if any, you have to click on the checkbox and select the operator. And then the POS, that is your place of supply. Then the supply type, it shall be an interstate transaction because we are located in Goa and customer is located at a place other than Goa. So it is an interstate transaction. Supply category, exempted, nil rated or non-GST. We have selected it as not nil rated. We have to select the item from the list that is provided. That is air conditioner, that is rate automatically gets populated, then the rate after discount, the quantity, then the total amount, then net total, therefore the taxable value. Since no tax is levied, no tax field shall be reflected, so you can see total taxes shall be 0 under the summary field. You can enter the narration in this field and terms and condition under the field of transaction terms and click on save. Now we'll move on to delivery challan. Tax invoice is usually issued when goods and services is made or when payment has been made by the recipient, whereas delivery challan is issued for transportation of goods. It can be for transportation of goods for job worker or transportation of goods for reasons other than by way of supply or cases as notified by the government. Now we'll see how to make a delivery challan entry. First, the voucher type is delivery challan, the voucher date, the voucher number, our location, the GSTI number of the location, customer, and shipping to is looking similar. Then the place of supply, Maharashtra, supply type, here it is interstate transaction, supply category, we have selected it as taxable. Now we have to select the desktop, that is the item, the rate discount, the rate after discount, the quantity, then the total amount, the net total, therefore the taxable value. Since it is an interstate transaction, IGST shall be levied at 18%, amount is 7,200. You can see the total amount before tax and after tax, and therefore the summary. You can make the narration here. We have entered it as transportation of goods to job worker and click on save. In the next video, we can see how to make other entries. Thank you.